Yo, what's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do some moves, and maybe you're gonna enjoy them. You might have seen my brothers, and I hope you enjoy this. First Swanton Bomb. If you liked that, you're gonna like this one. It's Matt Hardy's. Five-star frog splash. Who wants to see a whisper in the wind? I do. If you want to see one more move, you'll have to comment that at Smile1 channel. See you there. Bye. Don't forget to leave a comment.